Very good morning to all of you. The proposed title of my research work is under the guidance of Professor S.K. Mondal, Vidyasagar University. This is the outline of my presentation. Various types of uncertainties present in our day-to-day life problems. There are several theories, probabilities theories, fuzzy set theory, rough set theory, which we can consider for dealing with uncertainties. But all these theories have their own complications. To overcome these complications, the subset theory has been introduced. One of the deficiencies of the fuzzy set theory is how to set the membership function. The nature of the membership function is extremely individual. Everyone may understand the membership value of zero point 0.6 in his own manner. To make free from these difficulties, the subset theory was introduced by D. Malatsab in 1999. Suppose Mr. X goes to the showroom with his family members to buy a car. In the showroom, only 5 cars are available. Mr. X told that when we choose a car, we must mind about the following attributes. The first one is the car must be expensive, it must be beautiful, it must be comfortable sitting arrangement, and it must be colorful. Based on these parameters only, we want to choose a car. The family members have their own opinions on choosing a car. So now Mr. X is totally confused about that. What is the correct choice? So this is a very simple real life problem how to choose the correct option. A pair Fe is called a subset where F is the function from the parameter set E to the power set of the object set U. Let U be the set of 5 cards and E be the set of parameters expensive, beautiful, comfortable sitting arrangement, and colorful. Then the subset that describes the attractiveness of the cards may be written as follows. Here, E1 equal to C2 means that the car C2 is expensive and so on. Classical mathematics always requires the exact solution, but it is not easy to find the exact solution for every case. In that case, we may have to go for the approximate solution. In subset theory, we need to have to introduce the concept of an exact solution. In 1999, Molotov initiated the concept of the subset theory. Then, in 2001, Maggi et al. Initiated the concept of fuzzy subset with some properties. In 2001, Maggi et al. Also proposed the intuitionistic fuzzy subset with some operations and properties. In 2011, Kharal et al. Researched the notion of a mapping on soft classes and studied several properties of images and inverse images of subsets. In 2011, Cogman et al. Defined fuzzy parameterized subset and constructed FP subset decision-making problem. In 2013, Daly and Cogman defined intuitionistic fuzzy parameterized subsets and studied their operations. Our first attempt Our first attempt is to present a new distance similarity method to solve fuzzy sets and subset based decision making problems. Our next attempt is to present the type 2 fuzzy subset in its simplest form and construct the level subset by developing the mid alpha threshold fuzzy set and the mid lambda threshold fuzzy set. The next objective is to establish a novel subset-based crypto system by integrating the subset theory with the field of cryptography. Our next attempt is to develop a new principle called the subten principle, which extends the concept of subclass mappings. Then our objective is to develop an algorithm to solve a real-life problem using the concept of subten principle. Our next attempt is to develop a technique to solve the multi-criteria group decision-making problems based on the intuitionistic fuzzy parameterized subset structure. Under this structure, our plan is to propose a new scoring rule for the intuitionistic fuzzy numbers that can help in ranking the intuitionistic fuzzy numbers. Finally, our plan is to construct the reduced FP subset of intuitionistic fuzzy parameterized subsets using the scoring rule concept. These are the communicated papers. The first paper is already published in the Soft Computing Journal under Springer. The second paper also published in Complex and Intelligent Systems under Springer. In the third paper, we have submitted the minor revision in the Wireless Personal Communication under Springer. The fourth paper is currently under review status in Information Sciences under Elsevier, and the last one is under works. The first paper is a distance similarity method to solve fuzzy sets and fuzzy subset based decision making problems. This paper studies a new distance similarity measures to solve fuzzy sets and fuzzy subset based maximization decision making problem. Here we recall the degrees of similarity of two subsets. Then we have constructed an algorithm to select the optimal object. After that, we have solved two real-life problems from the area of maximization in decision making. At last, we have compared the results with normalized Euclidean distance and other existing methods like analytical hierarchy process, Fink's method, and then analyzed the results. The next paper is representation and application of fuzzy subsets in type 2 environment. Our contribution in this paper is fourfold. First, we have represented the type 2 fuzzy subsets in the simplest form. Then two definitions are proposed, namely the mid alpha threshold fuzzy set and the mid lambda threshold fuzzy set for a type 2 fuzzy subset. After that, two algorithms for type 2 fuzzy subset based decision making problems and weighted type 2 fuzzy subset based decision making problems are proposed. At last, we have solved three real life problems using our proposed algorithm. Next, introduction to soft crypto system and its application. Suppose Alice and Bob want to discuss some issues on a secure channel. The main goal of cryptography is to protect their discussions from any third-party Oscar. The medium can be a telephone line or email or any other. Plain text is the actual message that Alice wants to send to Bob. The plain text can be any text language or numerical value or any other. Its structure is arbitrary. In this paper, we are interested in using the subset as plain text. Alice has a pre-selected key and she can use the pre-selected key to convert a plain text to hypertext. After the conversion, Alice will send a hypertext message to Bob. If Oscar could hack their data, he would not be able to convert the hypertext to the original message because he did not have the key. Here our aim is to create a new crypto system using subset theories. Also, we will investigate the applications of proposed crypto system in a banking problem. Here we develop a new principle called subten principle that extends the concept of mappings on subclasses. It generalizes a pair of standard point-to-point mappings of two functions f and g to a mapping between subsets. This is an ongoing paper. Conclusions. Firstly, Our aim is to develop a new methodology to calculate the degree of similarity between two fuzzy sets and their subset extension. Then we represent the type 2 fuzzy subset in the most straightforward form. Again, studies in cryptography are essential and important in the modern communication system. Our next aim is to propose a new crypto system using a subset concept as a plain text message, which is stronger than earlier. The next objective is to introduce the concept of subset principle that provides a general procedure for transforming a class of subsets to a subset with the help of pair of functions, one described on the parameter set and other defined on the set of objects. These are the references. Thank you.
নমস্কার, আমি বিপ্লব পাইক। আমার ভিডিও যদি আপনাদের ভালো লাগে তাহলে শেয়ার করুন। আবার দেখা হবে অন্য কোনো ভিডিওতে। ভালো থাকুন, ধন্যবাদ।